by Design for the Button Farm Club. I'm here today to give you a sneak peek of what our October creative kit is going to be. This month we're thinking Christmas, and we're going to make, by special request, an exploding mini album with Photoplay's North Pole Trading Company. So let me just show you very quickly what comes in your kit. You're going to get the entire North Pole collection kit, which comes with all these great Christmas patterns. It's sort of vintage, but it's got a little retro twist to it too, which is really fun. So you're going to get 12 sheets, 12 by 12 sheets of this beautiful collection. And we're going to make, look at these plaids, love them. We're going to make a really fun exploding box mini album and probably a few little cards or a folio or something. I haven't quite made up my mind yet. So we've got all of these papers to work with. We've got the stickers that come with the collection. Then we've also got the matching solid plus that come with it. So this is 6 sheets of 12 by 12. One side is plain, one side is this beautiful snowflake pattern. And we're going to use these to make our mini album. So just great basic solids. And then you're going to get the entire pack of the Ephemera, which has all these great pieces inside there. You're also going to get an 8.5 by 11 piece of clear acrylic cardstock. We're going to do something special with this. I think you're going to like it. You're going to get 3 sheets of 12 by 12 grocery bag cardstock. And then you're going to get 25 candy canes. Can you tell we're going to be doing a Christmas countdown? You're going to get this faux snow. You're going to get these beautiful glittery gold Christmas trees, a Christmas ornament, a mini Christmas ornament, a yard of this beautiful sherry, ivory, and gold gingham ribbon, a yard of burlap string. You're going to get these super powered basic gray magnets. You're going to get a wood slice, 3 rusty jingle bells, and then a roll of double-sided 1/4 inch wide tape. So as you can see, you're going to have just about everything you need comes in the kit to complete this project. The only thing you're going to need to add is going to be common things like say a scoring tool, a paper trimmer, a hole punch, that sort of thing. So I'm going to go ahead, get this made so you can see what we're making in the kit. I think you're going to like it. Don't go away. Okay guys, so this is what we're making with that fabulous North Pole Trading Company kit. It's an exploding mini album, and it's all decorated up with, look at this, the topper is magnetic and removes. That makes it easy to get the top on and off and easy to store. I just think this is so cute. I love how it turned out. I'm just going to set that aside. So here we are on the front, little Santa Claus theme going on with jingle bells and Christmas greenery, little Christmas tree and snowflakes. Each side is decorated so that during the 4 weeks of December before Christmas, you can turn the box and have a different view each time. Then our lid comes off, and look at this. How fun is this? Look, y'all, it's a little Christmas countdown with candy canes in an acrylic holder in the center. So this is a really, you will not believe how much room is in this. Here's a little pocket on the front, and rooms for journaling, room for photos. You can journal on the back of this cute little Santa. Just the cutest. I love the way this turned out. These on the sides are actually pull-outs. Here's another little journaling spot tucked into this little pocket, and watch this. Look at that. You can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 7, 8, 9, 10 photos in each of these pullouts. So there's 20 right there on these 2 sides. So you're going to have more than enough to do a picture from each day from December 1st to December 25th. Down here is another little pocket with a little journaling tag and another flip out page with room for journaling, photos, more journaling here. I tried to make lots of room for you to write in, you know, like activities from the day, special company, special meals. Here's this sweet little mini folio. You can put little photos in here like photo booth style. And then this side, just like the other one, opens all the way out with all these wonderful spots for photos. Look how cute this is on the back. I've added some little pockets with more little mini folios. And you can't even see that these papers were joined together because we covered the unions up with these images and pictures. So even the box, I'll see if I can tip this, even the box is decorated on each side. So as you turn it around, but how fun will this be to keep out during the holidays? Keep it on your desk at work so you have a little treat for people who stop by. Keep it on your mantle as part of your decoration. Put it on your kitchen table. The holidays go by so quickly, and it's just wonderful to have a place like this to capture all the memories. And then the top just goes on. This sits back on top with the magnet. Look at our fake snow. And then we had so much paper left over that I decided to make a few little gift card holders for you. This one is made with the rest of your clear acrylic. Isn't that fun? And there's room on the back to add a message. This sweet little one opens like this, and there's a little gift card pocket inside. You just tuck the gift card pocket inside of here. And if you wanted to, you could put white cardstock on the back and write a note. Here's another one, very simple, but really cute. And then inside here, another little gift card folder. So many of us give gift cards at the holidays. I thought it would be nice. Here's a little mini easel card. And again, this has a little gift card holder inside. Super fun. I just love this one. I don't know why, just that one is my favorite. And then here's a really great, this is a larger one, easel card. So you could actually set these all out on your mantle as part of a mantle display. And that would be a really fun thing to do. If you do Secret Santas at work or at church, that's a fun way to do that. So you actually will make these 5 cards together in addition to the exploding mini album, and then you still have a ton of paper and stuff left over, so you could make a little folio or whatever you want. It's always nice to have extra papers at Christmas time. So that is the October kit from Button Farm Club. It's this wonderful North Pole Trading Company exploding mini album and gift card holders. All right, guys, you can order yours at the Button Farm Club. I'll put the link in the description box below. I hope you're as excited about this project as I am, and I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. See you later. Bye.